Alright, hold on. We're getting number 2 in. It's number 2. Alright, take him up there. Alright, take him to the front.
You almost got another big one, dude.
Put him down, though. Hold on, I'm taking a video of this guy right here. Up and down, bring up and down, brother.
It's muy grande. Dude, this is a nice red there, bro.
Up and down, bro. Go down with it. Now come back up. There you go.
Yeah, that dude's got a nice red there, bro.
Yeah, now go back up. Go back up with it.
Get up. Beautiful.
Hold on, Joseph. Hold on.
Good,
Go ahead. Yeah, go down with it. Go down. Now come back up slowly.
Only done it at manysfishing.com. We're here live. Got it.
Hey, back there, white man. It's game over for you, brother.
I know.
That's it.
We're grande.
Hell no, we